Why does your scanner show the P0146 engine code? What does it mean? P0146 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 sensor circuit. No activity detected. Bank 1 sensor 3. The P0146 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module PCM or ECU has detected that the downstream oxygen sensor on the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed oxygen sensor, damaged wiring, corroded connectors, exhaust leaks, faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Chrysler, Jeep, Honda, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.